Pyracantha is a genus of large, thorny evergreen shrubs in the family of roses. With common names as firethorn or pyracanthia, they are native to an area extending from southwest Europe east to southeast Asia. Mohave is an upright evergreen thorny shrub with shiny green ovate leaves. In late spring it bears clusters of white flowers that are followed by a large number of orange-red berries in autumn. Pyracanthia grows best in full sun to part shade and in well-drained soil. It is a rampant grower, sometimes producing as much as 2 feet of new growth a year. Choose a planting location careful to avoid the frustration of plant that grows exceptionally large and overwhelms the space. Good companion plant suggestions for Pyracantha Mohave is 9-bark and beautyberries, and the seeds may cause mild stomach upsets if ingested.